7 Best Drinks for Your Kidneys. Energetic and friendly. Hey there, Healthline Champions. Welcome back to the channel where we empower you to take charge of your health, one sip at a time. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your well-being, the 7 best drinks for your kidneys. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. Our kidneys are like the unsung heroes of our bodies, quietly working 24/7 to filter out toxins and keep us in tip-top shape. But just like any hero, they need their sidekicks. And what better way to support them than with some delicious and nutritious drinks? Let's take a look at the 7 best drinks to keep your kidneys happy and healthy. 1. Water. First up, the classic, water. I know, it's not the most exciting drink, but think of water as the superhero's trusty sidekick. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys flush out toxins more efficiently. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and your kidneys will thank you. Plus, water is like the blank canvas of drinks. You can jazz it up with a squeeze of lemon or a few cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. 2. Cranberry juice. Next on the list is cranberry juice. This tart little number is known for preventing urinary tract infections, which can be a real pain in the... well, you know where. Just make sure to opt for the unsweetened variety to avoid unnecessary sugar intake. Think of cranberry juice as your kidney's personal bodyguard, keeping those pesky infections at bay. 3. Lemonade. Who doesn't love a cold glass of lemonade on a hot day? Lemons are packed with citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones. Just be mindful of the sugar content. Try making your own lemonade at home with fresh lemons and a touch of natural sweetener. A little tangy, a little sweet, and a whole lot of kidney love. 4. Beet juice. Beet juice might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's fantastic for your kidneys. Beets are rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. Plus, they give your drink that vibrant, Instagram-worthy color. Just imagine, your kidneys are in there doing a happy dance every time you sip on beet juice. 5. Green tea. Green tea is not only a soothing drink but also a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants can help protect your kidneys from damage and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Plus, it's a great alternative to sugary drinks. Sip by sip, you're treating your kidneys to a spa day. 6. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar might be a bit of an acquired taste, but it's great for your kidneys. It helps balance pH levels in the body and can aid in dissolving kidney stones. Try mixing a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and a bit of honey. It might make you pucker up, but your kidneys will be smiling on the inside. 7. Smoothies. Last but not least, smoothies. Packed with fruits and veggies, smoothies are a delicious way to support your kidneys. Ingredients like spinach, kale, berries, and bananas are all kidney-friendly. Just avoid adding too much sugar or high potassium fruits if you have kidney issues. Blend it up, sip it down, and give your kidneys a nutrient-packed treat. And there you have it, Healthline Champions. 7 drinks to keep your kidneys in peak condition. Remember, a healthy diet and staying hydrated are key to kidney health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite kidney-friendly drink, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers to your health.